Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can manage entrance sounds on Discord. So if you want to have a sound when you enter a voice channel, let me show you what you can do. So let's go to user settings over here. And now let's go to voice and video. And now over here, if we scroll down, we will find entrance sounds options. Over here, we can select a server. So I'm gonna choose my own. And now we can choose a sound. Let's click on this pen. And here, of course, if you have Discord Nitro, then you will have access to many different sounds from the soundboard. However, if you don't, then you can only use either the default Discord sounds, or you can use sounds that you have in the soundboard on your own Discord server. So I'm gonna use, let's say, just this one as an example from Minecraft. And now if I join a voice channel on my server, then this sound will be played. If you want to, we can go back to the same settings as before. And now if I once again select my own server, you will also see which sounds are selected over here if you have any selected. But if you want to remove the sound, then you can click on remove sound icon over here, this trash bin. And if you do that, then you will no longer have an entrance sound. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.